time it is advised you don't open the door for anyone, even if it's a normal person. Also lock your windows and close your curtains. If you hear a door or window open and close in your home, hide where you can't be found. A big riot has broken out. They call themselves Dylannists, and they call their supposedly religion Dylannism. They kill anyone if they don't support their religion. All residents should lock all your doors and windows, barricade doors and windows, make sure you have food and water, turn off all lights, and make sure devices are low volume when used. Stay safe out there, and we'll keep you updated as the situation develops.